Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing a camera comparison of Honor 8X with Redmi Note 5 Pro. I've already done a speed test. If you want to check that out, link is in the description. So Honor 8X has 20 plus 2 megapixel rear camera, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro has 12 plus 5 megapixel camera, but that's what it is on paper. So here are some of the samples that I took side by side, and let's get straight in the images. Here is the first one. So you can see that Honor 8X has a little bit more blur and also a little bit more depth in this one. And moving on, and in this one you will see that Honor 8X has got the right colors and also a little bit more blurs, and these are all the portrait shots guys that I'm showing you. In this one you will see that it clearly goes to Redmi Note 5 Pro. It is more clear, has more depth, color accuracy is also really good in this one. And then in this one you will see that both are pretty much same. Both phones really did well in this condition. And then we have this little box of Honor 8X, and you can see that image is clear on 8X and also has more depth, but Redmi Note 5 Pro has got the real colors. Now Honor phones generally they have the tendency to just kind of improve the colors, so you gotta see these colors with Honor phones. And again in this one you can see the color on Honor 8X is different, and Redmi Note 5 Pro is actually coming with the real colors. And you can see that in the very next image. Now this one Honor 8X has actually more depth, but again the color accuracy wise Redmi Note 5 Pro has the real colors. And then we have this Mi A1, which is good on both. I think maybe Honor 8X just has an edge over Redmi Note 5 Pro. And then in this one just the opposite. I think Redmi Note 5 Pro here has a little bit more clarity if you compare that with Honor 8X. And then in this one the sunglasses, you can see that both phone did really well. Nothing a lot to talk about in this one. And then moving on we have this one, which is again proving to be good on Honor 8X with the color accuracy as well. And then we have this low light image, which is really good on Honor 8X. Now Redmi Note 5 Pro also has a good low light image, but you can see that Honor 8X has just a little bit more clarity and with detailing as well. And then similar on this one, Honor 8X proving to be just a little bit better if you compare that with Redmi Note 5 Pro. So it is what it is. And then we have this pic right here, which is actually the day shot, which is pretty good on both phones. Again, not a lot to talk about. Color accuracy wise both are good again. And then we have this indicator of a bike, in which you can see that Honor 8X again proving to be having just a little bit more detailing. Not a huge difference at all, but has an edge. And then this is the night shot, which you can see that it is brighter on Honor 8X, but you can see that Redmi Note 5 Pro is having more depth in the picture quite clearly. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up. And yeah guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. If you already subscribed, make sure you have hit that bell. And yeah, like, subscribe, share guys, and as always, peace out.